Today I'm going to show you how to install React.js in your Mac operating system. Okay, so you can follow same process for your Windows operating system also. Okay, first you open your favorite browser. I use Chrome browser here, and inside the Chrome browser first you install the Node.js. Okay, Node.js, Node.js download. When you just click the download Node.js, automatically it's detect your operating system. Here it's detected ARM64 Mac operating system. Means ARM means ARM architecture means it's a M1 M2. Means I use MacBook M2, so that's why it's automatic detected the silicon chip. Okay, so here you can click this button and automatically download the package. Then you install this package. Okay, I already installed. I show you how to check Node is properly installed in your system or not. Okay, so just open any terminal. If you use Windows operating system, you can use git bash. Okay, so here in I use it's a Linux environment. I use Mac operating system, that's why. So here just write node version. Okay, so here you just check that here node version is available. You can same thing, you can check the npm and npx also. npm and npx, everything is I'm not separately installed npm and npx. When you just install the node version, in that time npm and npx are installed automatically. Okay, so then now you are ready to create a new React application. Okay, so first I create any project. I create a directory, new folder. You can say the directory or a folder or anything. YT underscore React. I just differentiate, so that's why I just write that YT. Okay, I create a tutorial, that's why. You can create anything. And here if you use Mac operating system, then go to the service, right click, then go to the service, open a new terminal at a folder. So automatically you go to this terminal and you just remove the previous terminal. Okay, so now pwd, when I just present working directory, now I am inside the YT React. Okay, so now you just go to the Chrome browser, and there's one command is there for creating a React app. There's some create React app command is there. Okay, so you just you do not remember all these things because many codes commands are there. So this is a older command. Okay, okay, there's some vite command, create React app. There are one command is there. Yeah, this one is the older command, and I just show you the older command and the newer command also, because you just see that how much time it take for installing the older command. By using older command, it takes so much time. Okay, so for solving this type of issue, you can use vite. Okay, so npx create, I just copy this thing. Now go to this terminal and paste it. Here you can change the React my app. Okay, npx create React app my app. Okay, then just click here. It takes some time. I think it takes so much time, so just depend upon your internet connection. Just to wait, and I just show you that another command also there. Okay, so now you just see that installing template dependent. Okay, so 260 now you just see that happy hacking is there. So that means your React application is installed successfully. Okay, so you can run npm start. Okay, first you go to the now you see that ls cd. First go to the React directory. Okay, so cd my, okay, so React directory, then you can run npm start. Okay, now your React application is running successfully. Okay, and you can use another vite command also. There's some advanced command is there. Okay, I just remove this thing, and the same thing you can direct open this yt direct inside the VS Code. Okay, 1 second. Here my app is there. You see that my app and everything is there. Okay, just refresh it. Packet.json and packet.json, everything is available here. Packet.json inside the start is there. npm start, when you write npm start, automatically this react script start command is run. Okay, so I show you another command. Okay, so again go to the Google. Okay, first I delete this delete the older project. Okay, older React project. Just move to bin. Okay, now you see that, just delete this application. Okay, it's showing error because I delete this React application. So command C. Okay, now just to close this application also. Okay, so then you open this application again. Okay, go to the service and new terminal, add folder. Okay, so here I use another command, another vite command. Okay, you can follow this instruction also, then npm install npm something. Okay, so there another vite command is there, vite react. When you search vite means fast. Okay, so that's why the command also fast. So get started, there's some when you just click the get started, there are some references there. So how to install this, how to create a React project by using vite. Okay, you can use any npm. Here I use npm, so you can use yarn and this one born anything. Anything you can use. Okay, so here I use this command. Okay, npm create vite at the latest. Okay, this one the get started, I use npm. Okay, just copy, then go to the terminal, then just ls, this one nothing is there. Okay, so then first then you just installed npm create vite. Now you see that the magic, how fast vite is. You see that now it just asks the project name, anything, my project, my React, my app. Okay, just enter. Now it just asks you first the command asks you just give a name, and then it asks me just select a framework. Okay, so I use React. Okay, I use React, just enter. Then inside you can use TypeScript or anything, but I don't know TypeScript, so that's why I use JavaScript. Here JavaScript, is there. Okay, so JavaScript, enter Java, then just press S, start, then install S. Now you just see that how fastly, how quickly it's create the application. Now your application is started. Now just you can use this thing, and previously it's running in 3000, but now it's running in different port. Okay, go to the Chrome browser and just search. Now you just see that Vite plus React is there, and their default counter application is there. When you just click, when you refresh, it's come to 0. Okay, and I just explain some little bit about the project. Just first open the YT. This is my React application. There are different type of packages are there. So this one, the configure file, the Vite configure.js file is there. So you just it's auto generated file. Okay, so all the configuration and plugins, if you install Tailwind CSS or anything, first you configure all Tailwind CSS inside this Vite configure.js. Okay, so this one is the readme file. You can read this file, and you can, if you want, then you can safely delete this file. Okay, safely delete this file because this file is not required. And this one is the package.json is there. Okay, package.json means it's a requirement file. Okay, like if you use Python Django framework, so Python, there's some requirement.txt file is there. So like that, it's look like a requirement.txt file. Okay, or any programming language, there's some dependency files are there. Okay, so it's all the information. It's this file hold all the packages information. Okay, and it's a better, means it's a more advanced file, means it's a better what I say that it also look like a requirement.txt file, but it hold more information, like more information about your package, means where you want to download. It's also exactly show you the download link also, where when you just install npm install I, so npm install your package name or npm install. So in that time automatically it show you where the source link also and everything. Okay, and the main thing, when you just transfer this application to some another person, in that time the exact version is downloaded because everything is mentioned inside this file. Okay, and there's some index.py html file is there, and this one is the main file. Okay, this one is the main file where uh, everything is there. Okay, I just explain about in the index.html file, but first you guys show you the this one is the node model, this one is the node module. Okay, this one is node module, and you don't touch this node module because all the dependency files are there for running this React application. Okay, so then you have a public, inside the public you have a image is there. Okay, this one is the Vite image. Okay, then we have one src also there. Inside the src we create the component, we create this one is the main file. Src means this one is the main file. Okay, where we create everything. Okay, So there are one asset is there, and the app is there, everything inside the asset. Also you have a one media file is there, means you have a static file is there. Okay, so what is the difference between, if you have a confusion, so here also I have inside the public also we have a static file, and here also you have another static file like react static file. So inside the src server have capacity to render this file, means if you put anything inside the asset, so server can render this file. Okay, server can have capacity to render this file. Okay, so if you put in anything inside the public, so server think that it's a media file. Okay, so you understand what the meaning of media file. So any okay, so that's a little bit about the public and asset. Okay, and this one is the public. Okay, so the now one git ignore file is there, automatically it's generated, and I don't want to when I push the code in the github, so in that time it's automatically created a git ignore file. So node package, I don't node module node I don't want to push the node module to my git repository. Okay, so there is some node module, and there are some files are there, dist something files are there. So when I code in future, in that time this file are created, and in that time it's automatically ignored by the git ignore file. Okay, and these all are the file structure, and I just a little bit just explain you, means there's some public this one is the index.html file, and everything is this one is the html index.html file is there, and this one is the root id. This one is the root id. This div have a id. Okay, so automatically in this file nothing is there, but we just all just put everything through the root id. Okay, so how I put everything, so here there are some src is there. Inside the src we have some main.js file is there, and inside the main.js we have some app is there. Okay, so I just show you app.jsx is there, this one. So this one is responsible for here you just see that one counter application is there. This one is a counter application, and you already see the counter application here. This counter application means this one counter application, and everything is now you see that here one counter application is there, and there are some logos are there, like inside the div you have Vite logo and a react logo. Okay, react logo is there. Okay, here you just see there inside the image src Vite logo is there, and a react logo is there. Okay, and here you can change anything, like if I click on the Vite and the react plus, if I just remove this thing, click on Vite and react, it's converted into click and react view. Okay, now you just see that click on the Vite and react. Okay, it's changed. Okay, so if I just if I remove this empty space, this one is empty fragment is there, because react does not allow siblings. Okay, so siblings is not allowed. So if I just remove this thing, so you just get an error. Okay, so just undo this thing. Okay, now you see that everything is installed, and okay, so Now your React is installed properly. In future video we can discuss more about React. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe my channel. I have a motivation to create this type of React project.